Hi, this is Jim St. Andre from Compass. Welcome to 48 West 69th Street, the most incredible property set on the most idyllic block on the Upper West Side. Come on in. The story of this house begins with drama and scale, spanning 19,000 square feet in all. It was built in 1892 in the Renaissance Revival style, but the interiors have been completely redone. I can't wait to show you around. This room redefines the great room. 24-foot high ceilings, 41.5 feet wide, and 2 wood-burning fireplaces. Simply unbelievable. And look at the beautiful light streaming through these south-facing cathedral windows. This is definitely a space fit for a gala, but it's also warm and inviting like any good living room should be, with enough room for clearly multiple seating areas. And with enough style, obviously, to satisfy your most discerning of guests. The wraparound mezzanine level gives you the perfect vantage to greet your guests. Trust us, the view is great. Who invited him? The mezzanine level feels like an extension of the great room, and therefore it's equally great. There's a living area where you can hang out with friends and watch the game. You can work on your break at the pool table, take a business call in the office, or finally finish infinite jest in the library. And just off the living room is the most angelic of dining rooms floating over the garden. There's enough space in this dining room where your guest list can be endless. And you can even throw open the doors to the balcony to enjoy al fresco dining. And one of my favorite features are the cathedral windows and the skylight. In a home full of surprises like none other in Manhattan, welcome to the ultimate oasis. Swim in your 55-foot long lap pool that extends all the way into your backyard. In the winter, you can close the doors and still enjoy all of it. Pool parties in January, anyone? Zen out in the yoga meditation room or enjoy the jacuzzi. It's just one incredible experience after another. And now let me show you where you'll begin and end every day. I can confidently say that this is one of the largest primary bedroom suites in the Western Hemisphere. It's over 2,000 square feet with 2 bathrooms, a wood-burning fireplace, and a bucolic terrace. This is the kind of bedroom that makes every day feel like a dream vacation. Just a reminder, the house is 8 floors, so a high-speed elevator is a great idea. See you at the penthouse. This is the pinnacle of the house. First, it is the top of the house. It also is one of the most interesting spaces in the home, with a kitchen, a living room, a dining room, 2 terraces, and a gorgeous skylight that brings light all the way through the home. It's a great place to entertain any time of day or night. I hope you've enjoyed experiencing one of the finest bespoke mansions in the world here on the Upper West Side. See you on the next one.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.